Assume now that a company, Medix Incorporated, wants to invest $1 million, financed by the issue of one-year bonds in denominations of $1,000, the face value or principal of the bond. The interest rate that appears in the loan document, here the bond, is the coupon rate. Here the coupon rate is 10%, generating a coupon payment of $100. We can think of the loan transaction as a sale of the bond to savers and a repurchase of the bond by Medix. It appears that when the bond matures after 12 months, Medix guarantees to repurchase the outstanding bonds at their face value of $1,000 plus coupon payment of $100 or $1,100 per bond. Will Medix get its loan of $1 million? To answer that question, we focus on Julie, representing potential buyers of Medix's bonds. Julie loves music, and she plans to buy a new high-end stereo set. The stereo costs $1,100. That's a problem, since Julie can only afford to pay up to $1,000 for the stereo. However, Julie knows about Medix's bonds, and she realizes that buying a $1,000 bond today and holding it to maturity, she'll receive $1,100 in 1 year, enough to buy the stereo. Will Julie buy the Medix bond? If she's smart, the answer is, that depends. Surely, in 1 year, she'll receive a payment of $1,100 if she buys the bond today. However, in the course of that year, inflation may have eroded the buying power of the $1,100, so that Julie may not be able to buy the stereo after all. If Julie expects that to happen, she expects not to get the required premium for deferred consumption, and she'll forget about saving and the Medix bond and buy a less expensive stereo now. So Julie's decision to buy a Medix bond depends not only on the bond's coupon, but also on the inflation she expects during the duration of the bond, other things equal. To formalize this, we measure expected inflation as the expected inflation rate. That is, the expected percentage increase in prices during a period of time, as indicated by the Greek letter pi e. Since inflation reduces the buying power, or the real value, of coupon payments, we compute the real interest rate, R, as the coupon rate, I sub c, minus the expected rate of inflation, pi e. Notice that this relationship is only approximate. However, for I sub c and pi e not too large, like less than, say, 20%, the approximation is good, and we'll use it as a definition of R.